To say you would want or like something, you say yearing. Yearing pata na smá na'n chesho. Yearing pata na smá na'n chesho. I would want a bigger boat than this one.
To say you wouldn't want or like something, you say chanierin. Chanierin y gofo rip yr eist. Chanierin y gofo rip yr eist. I wouldn't want to go climbing again.
Han bat the shot uavasach big. Hearing bat the na smá na'n jesho.
How kerst? Biach chin a smá ein. Chan yl yn jesho sabaltje.
Biach chin a smá ein. It would be worthwhile getting a bigger one. Savaltje. Savaltje. Safe.
In the following scene, you'll hear chanierin y fi flwch agus tîn yr eist. Chanierin y fi flwch agus tîn yr eist. I wouldn't want to be wet and sick again.
Y felw y dolamach o'n sy fata yr eist y hiwsi.
Chaniel gytjeraf. Chanierin y fi flwch agus chin y ddiest. Ach hearing cwpa ma ti.
Ni misje ti uch de husi.
Yearing cúpa ma tea. Yearing cúpa ma tea. I would like a good cup of tea.
Some of the items mentioned in the roundup are mucke, a mug, skian, a knife, forke, a fork, Spain, a spoon, and sjuke, a jug.
Listen for she mucke mór a haun. It's a big mug. Am I millish guljar. I'm sweet enough. And Antarago and Shukapanya, will you give me the jug of milk?
Oh, tapelech dieng. She mucke more han.
She. Kamet span sjuker ausegal.
Hearing 3 Spanien am se vuke sjo. Tapelech.
Evelus a geri til jo sjuker vorak.
Chaniel, ha mi milish gilor. Ach yn torri go yn siwga banye.
Beth? Sio gwrt.
Clwyni, ha mi milish gilor. Fel sgiwn agos fforca agos Spania ka hwlwtwnia.
Ha?
Yn torri go fforca y graich, mas e to hole.
Unit 3 Fichit, Unit 60. Falchike Unit 3 Fichit. In this unit, we'll be looking at making choices. To ask if something or someone would be, whatever, you say, ambig. Ambig. Ambig sé géri car le radio. Ambig sé géri car le radio. Would you want a car with a radio?
Vieg. Yes, I would.
Chavieg. No, I wouldn't. Notice that in reply to a question, or for emphasis, you say vieg with 2 syllables. Otherwise, it is vig. Vig.
Yn bych se fy giri car le radio.
Vieg. Femi radio a vi awn. En byg sydd a fi as y deng, stan yn car sy'n eich anach.
Víoch go jaraf. Sorin gunne sinne chud it dóigh.
Femi radio a bhí ann. It must have a radio.
An bega syraf ias at ein. An bega syraf ias at ein. Would it be easy to get a loan? Víoch go jaraf. It would, indeed. Sorin gunne sin a churat dóigh. Sorin gunne sin a churat dóigh. We can arrange that for you.
In the next scene, listen for an big at seo ceart go leor. An big at seo ceart go leor. Would these be okay? They got fatter of oor. They got fatter of oor. They'd be far too big.
Ha mi a lorach michtach an cláie go hín.
An big iad seo ceart go leor.
Cha víoch. Vi gat fatter of oor.
Míchtach an cláie, woolen gloves. Our next scene is set in an office. This time, listen for with the G behtje. With the G behtje. You would be welcome. And for Vigisha G behtje kuchach. She would be welcome as well.
Food thinks the ching chunne cunnev.
Vútach, vitúchi bechtje, agus anna, vigisje bechtje kuchach.
Fagi glé jaunach ching aun.
Jonach. Jonach. Willing. Vig I glé jonach chin aun. Vig I glé jonach chin aun. She would be very willing to come.
Vig or vieg can be followed by tu, I, shiv, and iad. But to ask what you yourself would do or be, you say, I'm being a fine gachi. I'm being a fine gachi. Would I get home?
Vieg. Vieg. Yes, you would.
Cha vieg. Cha vieg. No, you wouldn't.
Vitu het al gan a chollastan an yinner nish.
Being a thing gacha hula huicha.
Cha víoch haigalaram. Vitu a fudach an a nostel.
Chavíoch and beoch.
To say you would do or be something, you say Víin. Víin glé jonach a galaun. Víin glé jonach a galaun. I'd be very willing to go there.
In the following dialogue, listen for An bitte jonach a galaun colrum. An bitte jonach a galaun colrum. Would you be willing to go there with me? And Loom heen, on my own.
Chanel mi a giri gol gan chéli lumí. An bitu Jonach a go awn call of them.
Víoch. Bhín glé Jonach a go bhain com marút. Cynne hae atáiseach.
Och, goed then.
To say what you and someone else would do or be, you say vimit. Vimit a fudach aan an apartment big mar sin. Vimit a fudach aan an apartment big mar sin. We would be staying in a little apartment like that.
Amsa Greek, vimit a fudach an an apartment big mar sin.
Agus aan zijn rind vimit an de Shally Arling mar sin.
We gaan vatten naar Bear aan de Montpellier nach Bieg.
Och, Vieg, vimit kia duur na biare sin.
Vimit kiet oor na piare sin. Vimit kiet oor na piare sin. We'd be 100 times better off there.
To ask what you and someone else would do or be, you say an bimich. An bimich fashk ir chéile. An bimich fashk ir chéile. Would we be near each other?
Vieg. Vieg. Yes, we would.
Chavieg. Chavieg. No, we wouldn't.
An bimid fasce de chéile.
Vieg, chan il páislik fatta vo glascho.
An bimid a fechin chéile ma ha.
Vieg go cínjach.
An bimich a fechking a chéile ma ha. An bimich a fechking a chéile ma ha. Would we be seeing each other then?
Vieg go cínjach. We certainly would.
As well as meaning would be, vig, vein, and vimich can also mean used to. An bitu a janus sconichen nor a vow og. Did you use to make scones when you were young?
Vien gandianov collar I mo vaher. Vien gandianov collar I mo vaher. I used to make them with my mother.
Yn bwysio y Gianaf sgonich nwyr y fasio fog.
Vieg arena. Vien gan Gianaf colri mo vahad. En je jacket hengit skonich in Gianaf.
Heich, fy maj gan Gianaf ans yn sgol?
Vimich gan Gianov ans an skol. Vimich gan Gianov ans a skol. We used to make them in school.
In the roundup, Elizabeth and Rena continue reminiscing. Listen for Viense at the lawn kujach. Viense at the lawn kujach. I used to go there as well.
Vig úsjan a taring asing an coni. Vig úsjan a taring asing an coni. Hugh would always be teasing us.
And was spors mahak English gun chikov. Was spors mahak English gun chikov. We had good fun with him, right enough.
Y fel caine ac y fyr yn teich bi ac yw's jan donaloch, the tasty bite.
Ha, vimich de laun the hulwa. Vimich a gichin a skonich in a goosjan. She at the va blaste.
Wingste y dalawn cwjoch, colar I gladys. Fyg yw's jan y taring yasin yng nghoni.
Vieg, was spars maak English gun chekov.
Va, she dinje gaste y van.